Introducing the CPU and how it works. What is the CPU? The CPU is the heart of the computer. It is responsible for all the logic and arithmetic calculations using the ALU. It also sends instructions on what to do to the rest of a PC using various buses that transport the data to other components. It is located on a special section of the motherboard and also connects to the RAM. What is the ALU? The ALU is the arithmetic logic unit, which is the section of the CPU that deals with the mathematics and other logical operations so that the computer may work. What is the control unit? The control unit is a component of a computer's central processing unit that directs the operation of the processor. It tells the computer's memory, arithmetic and logic unit, and input and output devices how to respond to the instructions that have been sent to the processor. The different registers in the CPU. The first register is the memory address register. It is responsible for storing the address of the next set of data needed, which is given by the address bus. The second register is the memory data register. It is used for holding information that is in the process of being transferred from the memory to the central processor, or vice versa.